please, do you know number 3 Bello Avenue?
Bello?
Yes.
Now this street be Bello.
Oh yes.
Bello, yes. Now
I mean number 3.
Auntie, see, you too fine. You be like fresh wine.
Thank
See
you.
See how you buckish.
You're so funny.
Nobody don't tell you say you fine before.
Thank you.
See, auntie, I wish I be a man. I will like marry you.
Thank you.
You too fine.
Thank you.
Hey, you say number?
Number 3 Bello.
Number 3 is our house.
Oh, your house?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, what a coincidence.
Yes, now ask me that.
Please, can you show me, please?
Hey, if let's say you be our new neighbor because
Yes. Oh, yes.
Hey, our landlady carry us. I better be you come that day.
No. It's my friend.
Hey, okay, your friend.
Yes.
I see.
Yes.
You fine.
Okay, show me.
I'll show you.
Oh, don't bother. Oh, you don't mind?
No, I mind, but
Thank you.
you fine.
Thank you so much. Oh, this house. This is nice. Thank you.
See, I like you. You fine.
Thany you.
I like this kind of neighbor like you.
Thank
Now they
you.
like for that one. Not the others. Yeah, neighbor.
Oh my God, such a nice woman. The area is so cool. Yeah.
Sisi, go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Now here be number 2.
Oh, this house. I like it.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, love you, baby. All right, bye.
You are doing well. You are doing well in this business. I can still you don't really upgrade, you be first class. And I like that.
What do you mean? I don't understand.
No, I say you they do well. You know why? Because our neighbors when they did this house, some of them they bring those one they call daddy, uncle. You they bring guys where you find cute guys. You are trying.
You're so funny. That's my boyfriend.
I know now. He's not the same thing with the talk. I don't say that your boyfriend. And that make me say you are doing well. Your grade high for this business. You are doing well. Your boyfriend not be old man. So our neighbor when fed this house now old men that they bring. You know say like yesterday now, one way come of you, the car will bring. It be like saying a Jeep. And this one I be like saying a Lexus, abi. You they do well. This business you don't grow. First class.
What are you trying to say?
I say you they try. Your package strong. Yes, I like you. You are trying.
Now, what are you trying to insinuate? Are you saying that I'm a prostitute?
God forbid me. Go for prostitute. No, me.
No. I'm trying to pick your words.
Okay.
Okay, I'm trying to pick your words. You said I brought Peter yesterday. Today it's Paul. Is that what you're trying to say?
No, I don't call you prostitute. No, I say you they do well, you they try. And the boys when they break on, when they break up.
Are you calling me a prostitute? No. Is that what you're insinuating?
Me no insinuate. I don't have insinuate.
Don't you mind? No, I've been trying to watch you in this house. Don't you have something to do? Why are you trying to poke nose in my affair?
Oh, no, I don't do that.
Don't you work?
I work.
Why are you trying to poke nose in my affair? Are you paying my bills?
No.
So what's that for?
I depress you.
You don't do that shit.
I don't know say the best for that kind of thing.
Nonsense. You're not paying my bills. You don't poke nose in my affair.
See, I like you. I say you do the
Just tell me that. Yes, I don't need it.
I don't know say they best you.
Please stop it. What's this? What's this?
See, we know they put it.
No. I'm trying to pick what you're saying. What nonsense.
I say you are doing well.
No. Please.
Sorry. This one I show. Like say this is Sigo I show. Just they tell us say they present, they upgrade, they try. If they do well for this business now first class. If they react, they overreact, they talk. This is Sigo I show. I'll use all time for long. It not be like the rest. This is how she they do well. She they package. She they try. The guys they get car. Now they like first grade, first class. Everywhere just dirty. Sissy!
Yes, what is it?
Where you dey go now? Now your turn to sweep, oh. You never sweep.
What? Is that what you're disturbing me for? Hello?
Hello, eh? I said that your turn to sweep. This early morning you don't ready like this, they go out. What happened?
Listen, you are not the landlord of this house. So you have no right, no audacity to stop me and tell me about sweeping or whatever you call it.
The time when you call the rent this, they not tell you say that they sweep. You sweep, I sweep. It's your turn to sweep. You never sweep.
You're so funny.
How?
Like seriously, you are so funny. Like I said before, are you my landlady? You don't pay my bills. You don't control me. What's that?
Do you dey pay my bills? Why they call you dey pay my bills? Now sweeping at all. I say you sweep, I sweep. It's your turn to sweep. You never sweep.
I said don't try this next time.
Sissy, go sweep. Wanna see Sissy? Sissy, wait till Ma tell you. No, because I tell you say, if I be man, I would like to marry you. Say you fine. No, can they use that one? Can they say they do me like say I don't know what they do? I don't get character. I just they respect you because I like you. Ma tell you.
Oh really?
Yes.
You don't have character.
No, want to try me?
Hey! You say what? Really? You don't get character? Hey! If you like say you don't know BCC.
No.
See what I tell you, eh? Where your own for stop, your own character for stop, now my own for start. If you like say you don't know say I be Lagos girl.
I know.
See this one. Eh?
Sissy.
When I build your house, I dey ask you.
Calm down now.
Because I dey follow you, they opposite. Because I dey follow you, they laugh.
Calm
Now you want to see me finish?
No.
What nonsense! Me, me, Sissy, you want to try me? I got display for you.
Sissy.
I go show you for this house. Which kind of nonsense is that?
Calm down.
Who are you? You're gonna question my authority for this house. They're monitoring me.
We know they quarrel.
They try me.
No.
What nonsense?
No
They
fair.
tell me say they never sweep. Are you the one paying my bills? Can you not pay my bills? Can you not pay my house rent? Maybe I should rent as I rent house. Hey, waiting. You be my landlady. Why can't you be this one? I go work up for you. I need to keep quiet. Make peace rent for the house. You know what that person hear what?
Sissy, no vex.
Maybe I should rent as I rent house.
I know.
Why you can't monitor me?
I don't monitor
Why
you.
you monitoring me? Yes, shut up. Kill on dead. What did happen? I'll tell you something. Let us pay. I don't pay for. I need my pay for house. What did happen? Don't try me, oh. I'm a press for you. Don't try me, go. Don't try me, oh. I don't press, oh. I don't walk, oh. My brain not there house. You don't disturb me for this house. You don't know. Because I make a camera not display where I be. The press. This nonsense with that. The press on your right. The press.
This is you, This is you, also. You worst. I just say I sabi. This is you, worst. She's the worstest. Oh, Jody Shadi, great. I need to tell her power. This is you. No. I won't worst. See, they shake. The body, they vibrate. I'm scared though.
You're so funny. Why are you scared?
See you vex, you remove weave for me.
Oh, when you made the other day.
I'm scared.
Yes. Come on, that's past.
Eh?
Yes.
I see you vex. You vex.
Just that I don't really like when I am upset.
Hey, if you upset, it don't fit you. Not upset. If you dey upset, it's not the good. If you upset, you know the fine.
Anyway, that's the past.
Okay.
Yes, it's just that, you know, if you want to be my friend, you must learn how to mind your business.
This is not vex.
Anyway, it's okay.
Yes. If you vex, not fine, not vex again, see.
Because you are the one making me to be angry. You made me to be angry. Because you're beginning to make me feel uncomfortable in the house, trying to poke nails, run into things. You know, I don't like that.
I know. Sissy. You know, say I like you.
I like you too, you know that. You know, you're the first lady I met when I was coming to this house. You know, we're good friends, you know. But at the time, you were beginning to do some kind of thing I don't understand. Okay, come closer. Why are you scared?
Ah, no. That day, you know, you don't have drama for my face.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. You know what? I have a package for you. Yes, where are you going to?
I want to buy something.
Ah, okay. When you come back, just meet me.
Oh, for us?
Yes, I have a package for you. Don't worry. Yes, take a friend.
You vex, oh. You remove we born. Sisi, you vex.
Don't worry.
Sisi vex, oh. Sisi, come out for me. It's here. On the para. Sisi. Sisi vex, oh. So Atise will not be friends again. So Sisi just apologize. So apology accepted.